what's going on today? Well, remember we made that aged rum. I figured I would like to have 1 jar of aged spiced rum. I love spiced rum. It is fantastic. All right, so what do we got to go into this? This is so easy to make. So I'm gonna take a quart jar. All right, my very first ingredient is some orange peel. They say a couple inches. Try to keep the white out if you can. A couple inches, about 4 inches of peel. All right. Now, we need 1 vanilla bean. I just want to kind of split it open so that the alcohol can get in there. You know what I'm saying? So it's split open. So I think I'm also going to. All right, 1 vanilla bean. Okay, now we need 1 star of anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and I kind of break them a little bit. 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 whole cloves, 3 allspice berries. Now what I'm going to do is I just want to crack them. I just want to crack them a little bit. Just so that the flavor can get into that berry, because it's awful there. Ooh. 3 allspice berries. 3 peppercorns. Now the ones I got are so super small, so I put 6 because they just seem awful small. So peppercorns, 2. Okay, so we're back. It's been about 5 days, and I think it's time to put this spiced rum back in the bottle. We don't filter it out. So all you need a funnel. I like to double up coffee filters. There. Oh. All right, and all we want to do is filter this beautiful rum out. And it might take a little while. That's okay. Then the best thing we get to do is we get to try this rum, right? I mean, the smell is fantastic. Oh. But you know what it smells like? What is the famous spice rum? I'm having a brain fart. Okay, so let's let this filter out and we'll be back. And I can't remember. Damn, help me out. Okay, so let's this drain out, and then we'll be back in a little bit, and we'll be able to give it a taste and see if it tastes as good as it smells. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it's all strained out and looking good. Now the great part. All right, pretty color. Ooh, and it does smell so good. It smells just like spiced rum. Oh, that is exactly what it's supposed to be like. It's a very good spiced rum. I think everyone would enjoy it. I might even be good with a little Coke. You know, what? I still haven't remembered the name of the Captain Morgan. That's it. So, Captain Morgan Coke. This would be very good with Coke too. All right. Okay, I want to thank you all for stopping by. And this has been a great spirit. Got me a label to put on there so I don't forget what it is. All right. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Yum. That's good.